Hello students, this is your IT class. It's a chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is Entrepreneurial Skills 1. It's a session number 4, Roles of an Entrepreneur. The various roles of an entrepreneur may be classified as first one is entrepreneur roles, second is promotional roles, third one is managerial roles and fourth one is commercial roles. Now first one is entrepreneurial roles. The entrepreneurial functions of an entrepreneur are as follows. First one is innovation. An entrepreneur is a change agent. He introduces something new in some branch of economic activity. It may be a new improved product or service. In effect, innovation is the hallmark of entrepreneurship. Next, second is risk tasking. All entrepreneur pays wages or salary to employees, rent to the landlord, and interest to the lenders. After making these payments, nothing may be profit and nothing may be left as profit. So, no risk, no gain is the saving in business. Now, third one is organization building. The purpose is to allocate the productive resources in order to minimize losses and reduce costs in production. Next one is promotional roles. The promotional roles of an entrepreneur are as first one is discovery of an idea. The first of all, an entrepreneur discover or generates a business idea. Second is detailed investigation. Once the idea is discovered, a thorough analysis is done to estimate the total demand. The third one is assembling the requirements. Next steps the entrepreneur takes is to assemble the necessary resources. He chooses the factory site, selects plant and machinery and contact suppliers of new material. Fourth one is financing the plan. The entrepreneur estimates the funds required, selects the sources of raising the funds, and decides the capital structure of the enterprise. Next one is managerial roles. The managerial roles of an entrepreneur are as first one is planning. Planning is the process of deciding the objectives of the enterprise. It involves decision making about what to do, how to do, when to do, and who will do what. Next is organizing. Organizing is the process of establishing such relationship both vertically and horizontally. Next one is staffing. The staffing involves hiring people of various positions in the organization structure. Fourth one is directing. Directing involves execution of plans through leadership, communication, motivation, and supervision. Next one is controlling. It is the process of evaluating performance and taking corrective actions wherever necessary. Next, last one is coordination. The entrepreneur has to ensure that different parts of the organization work together as a team to make it successful. Now, the next is commercial roles. The commercial roles of an entrepreneur are as first one is production. The production is the key function as it provides goods and services for selling. Next one is marketing. Marketing is the only function which generates revenue for the enterprise. Third one is personal. The personal function involves employment, development, and compensation of employees. Next one is accounting. The entrepreneur has to ensure that proper accounting records of each and every transaction is maintained to judge the true financial position of the enterprise. The last point is finance. All business activities revolve around finance. This is called the lifeblood of business. Next, session 5 is rewards of entrepreneurship. First point is independence. An entrepreneur has is his own boss. He can take all decisions by himself. He need not obey someone. Next one is ambition fulfillment. Some people want to convert their original ideas into a new product or service. For example, smartphone, electric vehicle, driverless train, etc. Third point is excitement. Entrepreneurship involves adventure. Some people resign their well-paid jobs and launch their own venture due to excitement. Next is freedom. Entrepreneurship allows the freedom to try out one's ideas. Freedom seeking people choose entrepreneurship as a career. Fifth one is wealth creation. Successful entrepreneurs create huge wealth for themselves and their staff. Next, last point is status. Success in entrepreneurship brings considerable fame and prestige. Narayan Murthy, Sunil Mittal, Rana Kapoor, Subhash Chandra, and other successful entrepreneurs are known all over the world. I hope you understand this lecture.